Do you know who has administrative access to your Windows servers? Let's audit it in just 2 minutes. We will check local administrators, dormant users, disabled accounts, service accounts, and guest status. Start in Computer Management, then open Local Users and Groups and select Groups. Open the Administrators group and review every member, not just the account names you recognize. Flag excessive privileges when users, legacy groups, or broad service identities have no current business need. Document the owner, purpose, approval, and removal date for every administrator who should not remain elevated. Next, open Active Directory users and computers and review the user account inventory. Add last logon information to the review so inactivity is visible instead of assumed. Highlight prolonged inactivity in red, then confirm whether the account is still owned, required, and monitored. Recommend disabling or removing dormant access only after the business owner confirms the account is no longer needed. For disabled accounts, verify the status is intentional and supported by a clear record. Check the ticket, approval, business owner, and retention decision before treating a disabled account as compliant. Accounts that are disabled but undocumented remain an audit exception until the evidence is complete. Now identify service accounts and separate them from ordinary human user accounts. For each service account, record the owner, business purpose, status, and system dependency. Review assigned privileges and challenge interactive logon, broad group membership, and accounts with no accountable owner. Require a documented owner and business justification before renewing or retaining elevated service access. Finally, return to local users and groups and open the users folder. Verify guest is disabled unless an approved business requirement explicitly says otherwise. Capture the evidence, assign owners, and track every exception through remediation. That is a practical Windows Server access audit you can repeat on every review cycle.